Deniz, is that a birthday cake? Huh? Yummy. Did you blow the candles? Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Deniz. Happy birthday to you. Can I have a piece of your cake? Thank you. I need a fork, Mommy. Can you give me the fork as well? I think you're sitting on it. Thank you, Mommy. Oh, are you gonna give it to Daddy? Okay, Mommy. Share your cake with Daddy. I'm waiting for you here, okay? Do you need my help? You need my help? Okay. Okay, let's carry it together, okay? Let's give Daddy some cake. Okay. Okay, Mommy. Daddy, we brought you some cake, some more. Yeah, it's from our birthday party.
Oh! Thank you! All for me?
Yeah. Hey, let's give Daddy a hamburger. Let's cut it in half, Mommy. Cut the hamburger in half, sweetie. Ah, you want to give him some grapes? Aren't you gonna use the knife? Let's cut the hamburger in half, okay? Here, Deniz. Deniz, here, take the hamburger to Daddy. And the grapes. Good job, Mommy. Daddy's waiting for you, yeah? You want me to come? Okay. Daddy, we brought you a hamburger and some grapes.
Oh, thank you!
Yummy. Daddy's gonna have a feast tonight. Deniz, let's bring Daddy some bananas. Let's cut the banana in half so we can share it with our Daddy. Whoop, there we go. Bananas, yeah? Oh, are you taking him some? Well, wait, we have to cut the watermelon in half first. No? Okay. You forgot the banana. Okay, give these to Daddy, okay? He's waiting. Let's take this crab to Daddy, okay? Oop. Yeah, take it to Daddy. Hey, what about the carrot? Okay. Let's put a pumpkin in here, a strawberry, dragon fruit, a lemon, and some melon. Deniz, I prepared Daddy a fruit salad. Here, take this to Daddy, okay? Ooh, you got your onions too? Okay. Okay, it's a little... Do you need my help? No? Okay, go give those to Daddy, okay? Don't cry, you can do it.